In today's video, we're going to make our own antifungal roller bottles and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. First of all, the ingredients are simple and natural, and making your own can be easier on the pocketbook. The ingredients also support the body against fungal infections, such as athlete's foot, tinea versicolor, toenail fungus, and ringworm. Alright, let's get to it. Recipe number 1. 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Recipe number 2. 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, 3 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, 3 drops of peppermint essential oil. Recipe number 3. Foot soak. 3 drops of tea tree essential oil, 2 drops of lemongrass essential oil, 1 drop of peppermint essential oil. Foot soak. Fill a small tub with warm water, add essential oils, and let feet soak for at least 20 minutes. Or apply directly to any other areas affected. Apply to infected areas 1 to 3 times a day and consult a physician regarding any fungal treatments. Tea tree essential oil is antibacterial and supports inflammation reduction. Lavender essential oil can help induce calm and relaxation. It supports against inflammation and promotes blood circulation. Eucalyptus essential oil is antibacterial and is an antiseptic. Peppermint essential oil is antibacterial. Lemongrass essential oil is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It has antiseptic properties and can help reduce stress and anxiety. All the essential oils above possess antifungal properties. First, we need 1 10 milliliter glass roller bottle, 9 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer and absorbs quickly. It's an antioxidant and is antifungal. And finally, it can soothe various skin issues such as eczema and psoriasis. First, add your desired essential oil combination to roller bottle. Then add 9 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil. Place roller ball and lid on bottle, shake well, and apply. And it's just that easy. Thanks for watching. And remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.